Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Google Earth and heading straight to the area you want to measure. Once done, open settings and pick units, meters, km, miles, or feet, so results match your needs. Then activate the ruler or measure tool. This is the first actionable step. Click a clear starting point on the map and zoom in to reduce placement error. Make sure to use satellite imagery for best edge clarity, because precise clicks at higher zoom give more accurate distances and boundaries. Next, choose the correct measurement mode: line for straight shots, path polyline for routes with turns, or polygon to calculate area. Click sequentially to place vertices. Each click locks a point, so add intermediate points around curves or irregular edges. Once done, close the polygon to get area and perimeter values. If measuring terrain, turn on elevation or hillshade so you measure surface distance rather than flat map projection, which matters for slopes. Make subtle adjustments to points until values stabilize. To finish, save the measurement to My Places or export it as a KML/KMZ so you can reopen and share the exact geometry. Take a screenshot or copy the numeric results into a document. Confirm the units one last time before reporting. If you need high precision, compare against a nearby known distance like a sports field. If results look off, check that you used the right measurement mode, correct units, and that elevation or terrain settings aren't introducing projection errors. Retrace if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.